Guys, welcome back to 31 Days of Halloween. Today's video is this ice queen, so let's jump right in. Starting off, I'm taking Elmer's glue and I'm using that to pin down my brows. I'm not going to cover them, but I just wanted them to be slicked back. So what I do is I go over it back and forth to really get it in. Then I take a spoolie and push it down against my skin. Lastly, taking one more layer and really pushing the hairs down. Next, I'm taking my Born This Way concealer and I'm putting that all over my lids, and I'm going to go over my brows and up towards my forehead. That way I don't have to clean up my brows after I paint them white. This is also prepping my lids for shadow. For my eyeshadow today, I don't set it with translucent powder because I'm going to go in with blue and I really want it to stand out. Now I'm taking this white paint on a flat paintbrush and I am just brushing that into my brows. To clean it up, I don't use concealer. I take a flat cotton pad and I just kind of clean up under because it just wipes away the white paint without taking off the concealer. Also with this paintbrush, I kind of try to make hair strokes. Later on in the video, you'll see I go in with a white liner to even further the hair strokes. Taking a blending brush, I'm taking this kind of light blue and I'm patting that in first and then going in and blending it. This is just going to make the color stand out a lot more. Now going in with this dark blue, I'm putting that in the crease to deepen it. I'm also patting that in first before blending. Now taking an even darker blue, I'm going to set that all over my lids. I'm basically just doing a blue smoky eye, but I'm going to go in with this lighter blue. It's like a shimmery blue, and I'm going to set that in the center of my lids just because I want it to stand out. I don't want it to be dark on the lid. I want like a shimmery blue. Know what I'm saying? Now I'm taking my NYX white liner and I'm going to be creating a wing. This white liner is actually super hard to work with. I'm used to my Kat Von D one where the brush is stiff. This one kind of took me a while, but I finally got the hang of it. Now for foundation, I'm taking my NARS foundation and just putting that all over my skin. I really hate this foundation, but it's the only one that I have right now. I'm probably going to be using it in all of my Halloween videos, so you're going to see me using this NARS foundation a lot, but I don't like it, so sorry that I'm promoting this. I don't like it. Just putting it out there. Now taking my Born This Way concealer, I do love this concealer, and I'm putting that under my eyes and then blending it out with my Morphe Beauty Sponge. Now I'm putting it on my T-zone and I'm going to be blending that out with my Morphe Beauty Sponge as well. Then I'm going to take my white paint and put it everywhere that I put this concealer. I was recording it, but my camera shut off, so you're only going to see a second of it. Now to contour, I'm taking this blue shade right here and I'm going to set that everywhere that I contour. So my cheekbones, my forehead, my jaw, my nose, all of that good stuff. Now this is what I was talking about. I go in with my white liner and I make hair strokes in my brows just because I felt like they needed to look a little more, I'm going to say realistic, but you guys know what I mean. Obviously these are not realistic, but yeah. Now taking the white shimmer shade, I'm going to use that to highlight. So I put that on my inner corners and my nose. Next, I'm taking concealer and just whitening out my lips all the way. Going back in with that blue shade, I'm just going to rub that on the middle of my lips and kind of buff it out. Taking that exact same shade, I'm going to run that under my eyes to smoke out my under eyes. I also decided to add that on my nose to make it a little more prominent. Now for the lashes, I'm taking this white paint and just brushing it all over my lashes. I do that to the bottom and the top. I don't show this on camera, but I did paint a pair of lashes white and then I put them on my eyes, and I painted these lashes about 2 weeks ago and I thought they would be dry, and the lashes literally never dried, so I had the hardest time putting the lashes on, but I didn't film that for y'all. Then I'm just taking my white liner again and putting some white, I guess you can call them faux freckles. I know people hate faux freckles, but I'm just putting this whiteness on my face, trying to make myself seem a little more icy, more, ice queen-ish, and I feel like this really helped a lot. I also take some of that up on my forehead because I felt like it was missing something up there. Then I take my white paint on my neck and my chest, and I blend that out with a beauty sponge. I think I used the Real Techniques beauty sponge. Sorry, I couldn't think of the name. But I just blend that out, and then I also take the white liner and do some dots as well to finish up the look. And that is it, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like it down below. Also, give me a thumbs up if you're loving 31 days of Halloween. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye!